Hello, my dear all students. Welcome back to our channel Gyan Manri Online Education. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So, my dear all students, in our last lecture, we completed our poem The Trace. So, today onwards, also in the unit 8, one poem is there. The very small poem is there. So today we will know about this poem, and the name of the poem is Fog, right? So you may open your textbook also. So first of all, we will go with the poet. So who's the poet of this poem? Fog. So Carl August Sandburg. So what was the duration of his living from 1878 to 1967 was an American poet, writer and editor. So here our poet is not just poet. With this, he has written poet, stories and editor means he was working as a editor. He won 3 Pulitzer Prizes, 2 for his poetry and 1 for his biography of Abraham Lincoln. So he got 2 Pulitzer Prizes, 2 for his poetry and 1 for his biography. So, which biography he had written about Abraham Lincoln, and he wrote poems like Grass, Analysis, Chicago, etc. So he had written this kind of poetry. So our this poem Fog is one of them. So let's see about the introduction to the lesson. What this poem wants to tell us. So here the poem Fog is very small. Total 6 lines are there in the total poem Fog. Fog is a very small poem written by Carl Sandburg. He has described the process of arrival of the fog into a city and the harbor. He has very beautifully compared it to a cat. So, why the poet has written this kind of poem, or what's the history behind this poem? So, here we have the information that this poem, Fog, it's a kind of a small animal type. Whenever the monsoon season is there, we see winter or monsoon season. On that seasons we can see them. So here the poet has compared fog with the cat. Why and how? So in the poem we will see it. So let's get started our poem. So here we have, I can't say that the first stanza of the poem because it has just 6 lines. So, one by one, line by line, we will go further. The very first line, the fog comes on little cat fit. How the fog comes on little cat fit means here the poet has compared fog with the cat, as the cat comes very little fit, as nobody seeing the cat. Whenever the cat comes, whenever we observe the cat, the arrival of cat, so she just see surrounding her, if whether anybody observe her or not, anybody is seeing her or not. So if somebody doesn't know on that kind of situation, or a cat wants to come like that, so here fog is coming like that. The fog comes on little cat fit means fog is thinking that nobody is seeing me, so I have to go like that. It sits looking over harbor and city. So how it comes? So it sits looking over harbor and city on silent hunches and then moves on. So here how the fog is coming, arrival of the fog and the exit of the fog is described in this very small poem. So here our poet Karl, so he has described very well, and with this description he had compared fog with the cat. So uh, हाउ इट अराइव्स, जैसे हम लोग को पता है कि कैसे कैट आते हैं, जैसे उसे कोई देखता ही नहीं वैसे धीमे धीमे वो आ रही है, वैसे ही यहाँ पर फॉग आ रहा है, किसी को पता नहीं चले उस तरीके से वो सिटी में आता है हार्बर में। और फिर वैसे वहाँ सब कुछ देखता है और उसे होता है कि कोई उसे देख नहीं रहा है, जैसे कि कैट को भी लगता है जैसे वो चलती है वैसे ही वो फॉग चलता है, और जैसे वो आता है उसी तरह से वो जाता भी है फॉग। सो मूव्स ऑन हियर, मतलब कि वो चला भी जाता है, वो सिटी में आता भी है और चला भी जाता है, पर कैसे आता है? बहुत ही धीमे से आता है, द वेरी लिटल फिट। एंड हाउ इट एग्जिस्ट, सो लाइक द कैट, जैसे कैट की तरह आता है वैसे ही कैट की तरह जाते हैं। और कुछ नहीं है ये पोएम में, सिर्फ द पोएट हैज़ डिस्क्राइब द अराइवल ऑफ द फॉग एंड द एग्जिट ऑफ फॉग विथ द कंपैरिजन with the cat. So here we have new words, fog. So it's a thick cloud of tiny water droplets present in the atmosphere, especially in winter. Then harbor. Harbor means spot or dock. On haunches means sitting with knees bent. So in this poem, some literary devices are there. So we will study about these literary devices. So just for your kind information, students, some kind of questions are arrived in your mind that this poem is not included in our syllabus in this year 2022-2021, but just for your kind information that you have to study, it is not exam oriented, but just for your knowledge you have to study this poem. Okay, so here we have literary devices. Metaphor. So fog is compared to cat. Whenever some comparison is there, so on that time metaphor literary devices is used. So here how fog is compared to cat, on little cat fit. So how the fog was coming like little cat fit. So here the poet has used metaphor. Then rhyme scheme. So there is no rhyme scheme followed in this poem. It is totally free verse. Poem is in free verse, means there is not any kind of rhyme scheme. Just see that rhyming words and rhyme scheme both are different. So rhyme scheme followed नहीं हो रही है इस poem में. Okay. Then enjambment. So when a sentence continues to next line. So whenever we see two lines, continuous lines without a single pause, without a single full stop, so on that time that is enjambment. दो कंटिन्यू लाइन होती है, वहाँ पर दो लाइन्स में एक भी हमें फुल स्टॉप नहीं दिख रहा है, वो कंटिन्यू चल ही रही है. सो दैट इज़ अवर enjambment. सो हियर इट सिट्स लुकिंग देन मूव्स ऑन, वहाँ तक यहाँ पर कोई भी फुल स्टॉप नहीं है. You can see in your textbook also. So here you can see that enjambment in our this poem. From it sits looking over harbor and city on silent haunches and then moves on. So here from it to on there is not a single full stop. Continuation of the line is there, so that is our enjambment. Okay, so whatever the poem you take, so this kind of rhyme scheme or this kind of uh, फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीच यू कैन सी. सो ये फिगर ऑफ स्पीच वाला जो पोर्शन है वो आपको कभी पर किसी भी पोएम में यूज़ कर सकते हो. तो वैसा नहीं कि ये सिर्फ पोएम है. सो ये पोएम हमने एक एग्जाम्पल के लिए यहाँ पर फिगर ऑफ स्पीच में ली है, राइट. सो which kind of examples are there, how to use, how to implement whenever any strange poem will be there. So on that time how to find out the this kind of figure of speech. Next, personification. So fog has been personified as fog comes it sits. That we know that फॉग आता है वो बैठता है. वैसे हमने यहाँ पर ऐसा पर्सोनिफिकेशन यूज़ किया है क्योंकि ये फॉग आता और बैठता ऐसा सब कुछ होता नहीं है. तो फिर भी यहाँ पर ऐसा यूज़ किया है. सो दैट्स वाई दैट इज़ अवर पर्सोनिफिकेशन इज़ यूज्ड हियर. So this is our poem Fog. Very small poem is there. It is not included in our syllabus, but you just have to write down the answers. Okay, my dear all students. So here we are going to end up our today's lecture as well as our ending this poem Fog. It's very simple poem. Fog आता है और fog जाता है, पर कैसे आता है? So here the poet has described very well. The poet has compared fog with the cat. So that is our poem. Okay, so you find any difficulty, so please ask me. Okay, thank you my dear all students. So in your homework you have to write down that 4 questions thinking about the poem, and in that question, first main question, so it includes 4 sub questions. So you have to write down those 4 questions, and whatever the figure of speech is we have covered in this lecture, you have to write down in your notebook. Okay, my dear all students. So here we are going to end up our today's lecture. Do your homework regularly and send it to me on time. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.